Good morning. My name is Katie Green, and I'm a candidate in the Educational Administration program through Lamar University. Right now, I am a 7th grade English teacher in Louisville ISD, which serves around 53,000 students. This is my 5th year teaching, and I've been fortunate enough to hold various leadership positions at my current campus. Through all of these experiences, I found that I have a love for leading, and so I've decided to pursue further education because of my interest in administration. With the direction of my professors at Lamar and my current administrators, I hope to learn how to effectively support students and staff along with being a consistent leader in my building. I looked at the TAPR for the 2015-2016 school year on my campus, Killian Middle School. During that school year, there were a total of 929 students in grades 6 through 8. The student ethnic makeup is about 8% African American, 26% Hispanic, 36% white, 0.4% American Indian, 29% Asian, and 1% 2 or more races. The student socioeconomic status is as follows: about 25% economically disadvantaged, 75% non-educationally disadvantaged, 13% English language learners, 2% of students who have received disciplinary placements, 33% are at risk, and about 8% are labeled mobility. At Killian, there are about 81 total staff members, and the ethnic makeup of the faculty is as follows: about 3% African American, 8% Hispanic, 86% white, and 3% Asian. Looking at the teachers on my campus, about 5% are beginning teachers, 49% have 1 to 5 years experience, 22% have 6 to 10 years experience, and 20% have 11 to 20 years of experience, while about 4% of teachers have over 20 years of classroom experience. For the 2015-2016 school year, an academic area of concern for students was the 7th grade math scores. And a cultural concern among students is that the demographics of teachers at Killian do not reflect the demographics of the students. For my leading video, I chose option number 1, which was to lead a focus group. I had a group of 5 teachers sit in a classroom and discuss their thoughts on professional development. Of those 5 teachers, one of them teaches 7th grade math, another one teaches both 7th and 8th grade math, 2 teachers teach 7th grade English language arts, and 1 teacher teaches both 7th and 8th grade English language arts, along with coaching cheerleading. They all have various years of teaching experience, ranging from 1 to 7 years, and I chose them. I chose them because of that, because there was a varied years of teaching experience. I had a prepared list of 11 questions about professional development that the teachers were able to access before we sat down and discussed as a group. As expected, there were a lot of different opinions, and so I had prepared follow-up questions to the original ones. I chose option 1 because as the school year comes to a close, professional development is a topic that is on a lot of teachers' minds right now. We've been signing up for summer learning courses, and I think all teachers have high hopes for what they will get out of the sessions. As a participant in this program, I have had to construct a professional learning plan, and I thought that hearing the thoughts of teachers on professional development would be helpful for me as I continue my education to be an administrator. The meeting was held on May 25th, 2017, during the PLC time for both the 7th grade math and English department. I asked teachers to look over the questions that I had prepared for them before coming to the meeting. When they were at the meeting, I displayed the questions on my board so that when I asked them the questions, they also had a visual to refer back to. I also allotted for extra time with each question, considering the diverse group that I had and the different opinions that would come up. So I set a timer for myself and for the teachers. They knew that they had 30 seconds to jot down their thoughts, questions, responses, opinions to the question. Then we started with one teacher who got 30 seconds of uninterrupted time to discuss their answer to the question. Then we opened up the floor for the rest of teachers to discuss, ask questions, or reply to the original response. To assist with time management, other than setting a timer, I made sure to keep the conversation on topic and refocus the conversation when needed. Like I said, the teachers were able to preview the questions before we met so that they would have an idea of how they wanted to answer. The teachers were provided pens and papers to write down their thoughts during the discussion, and then I took their notes at the end just to keep for my own documentation. I hope you enjoyed the video.